Zimbabweans from all walks of life and across the political divide are openly expressing themselves on the current palace state of the nation and over the intensifying ZANU-PF succession battle, which may now be settled in the streets from March 31 onwards. Sandapinda mashoko ari kuno kwakunzi aiwa from all the corners of the world. Tikuona kuti nemavideos mamwe pasocial media, pamarengi, people they are being interviewed kuti munoti kudii pamusoro pe the current situation. Vanhu vanoratidza kuti aiwa they are now fed up. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa the news also mdonyera chiti. The ruling party is heightening succession battle is national significance as it may largely determine the country's near future in the short to medium term. While President Mnangagwa's 2030 ZANU-PF faction is remaining defiant amid the threats to shipwreck its plan by war veterans, those supporting Vice President Kosandou Chiwenga, like this ZANU-PF youth member and son of a war veteran, Obvious Mutani, on this video, are also not backing down in their fierce opposition to President's bid to extend his rule beyond 2028, second term constitutional limit to 2030 through the back door. Although Mnangagwa denies he wants to extend his rule by 2 more years or a third term, his unmistakable footprints are indelibly marked on the ongoing factional campaign, which threatens to plunge the nation into chaos. Thomas Kwamdani panapa vachiona aiwa this member ari kuonekwa kuti anonzi Obvious Mutani ano achivavhoko atana mashuko achiti aiwa these guys they must go agenda against the 2030 agenda. Tinoona kuti again tinoona kuti vanhu vanoshandisa masocial media hindu zvakawanda. Tikaona pane this hindu yamajarajara arikubuda achitaura mashoko achiti let the word spread beyond the mountains and Manika Valley. Use all social media platforms X, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and others to spread the word that on the 31st of March, we are about to remove corruption, nepotism, cronyism, and repression. These must be defeated pronto. Obra achitega yakanzi M31 movement, munhu wese muroad, emaso Mnangagwa is to go. Thomas Kwanobuda panapa tikuona kuti ndo ari kutsviriridza panguva ino kwese kwese vanhu aiwa ndo zvavari kungotaura ndozvingoita kumastreets. Kunyange panapa tinoona kuti the government wo iri kubuda kutaura chiti aiwa yes you can chant muchitaura but isusu are also ready kuyo tichizotwauta vanenge vauyawo vachionekwawo vari offside. Modze mafunguro enyu noti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu kuti mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, on the bell icon.